Idle hands. Idle hands. The little girl who lives down the lane. The little girl who lives down the lane. Halloween, Roman 2. The crow. The crow. Donnie Darko. Donnie Darko. Ginger snaps. Ginger snaps. Halloween. Halloween. May. More May 64 of 70 the best teen slasher movies, 639 of 675 the best movies Roger Ebert gave 4 stars. The Nightmare Before Christmas. The Nightmare Before Christmas. It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.